You guys, I'm so excited to share my winter night routine because I've had a huge change. I'm in an office now. We have our LSF headquarters, and that means a lot of different things happen in my nights and my mornings because I'm going into an office all day, which hasn't happened for a really, really long time. I'll be doing a full office tour for you guys soon. Don't worry, it's coming. It's so cute though, right? So the first thing when I get home, I have to clean up my space. I used to always straighten up things throughout the day because I was home and I could. And now I find that I'm so busy. I rush out the door in the morning, I rush back in, and the house is kind of a mess. So in order to be able to relax, and I'm really trying to focus on self-care this year and relaxing when I get home and not continuing to work a ton, I have to clean up my space. So I do that first. And then my first act of just self-care, self-love is my workout. And I really love working out in the morning. I feel like I'm way more motivated, way more pumped. But with my schedule, it's been really hard to do it first thing in the day. So it's kind of been at the end of the night, which is an adjustment for sure. But luckily with the Love Sweat Fitness app, I'm able to just open it up. It tells me exactly what I'm doing that day. I don't have to think about it because my brain is kind of fried by the end of the day. And I just get after it. Seriously, step by step, exactly what to do. So one of my other goals fitness-wise this year is to really push myself a little bit more. So adding a little heavier weights in, maybe doing extra rounds, and just really challenge myself. Because I think what happens is you find a challenge, you start a new program or something, and then you kind of get to a point after a while, maybe a few months or a year, where you're really comfortable, and you don't ever want to be comfortable. You want to keep pushing yourself. So that's one of my goals. And then I love just the motivation I get in the app when I'm done with my workout. I can take a little sweaty selfie, check in with you guys on Instagram, and we have this amazing community all there just supporting each other and helping hold one another accountable. So if you haven't checked it out, you need to go do that on Instagram. I added eucalyptus in my shower, and oh my gosh, you guys, it makes it smell so good and just fresh. And it was $1 at Trader Joe's. Then I like to multitask, so I use little micellar water to get my makeup off. And for the last few months, the first thing I've been doing after I exfoliate and shave my legs once a week is using my Kenzie IPL laser. You guys, this thing is so amazing. I did a video about it a while ago, and it is awesome. So IPL is intense pulse light, and really the hair absorbs that light energy and it helps reduce it down at the root. So you have to make sure you shave, don't pluck, don't wax. You need the hair follicle down there. And then it sends wavelengths to various depths in your skin. So almost all skin types can use this except the darkest. And it's just so easy. It has this really nice long cord so I can plug it in, sit on my bed, and have plenty of room to just slide it up my legs. You can hold that button down and just slide it against the skin and it'll keep sending the light out, or you can do it manually once at a time. And I think what most people worry about is the pain, and obviously I'm smiling here mostly because I'm watching a funny show, but it doesn't hurt at all. Once in a while you'll feel a little boop, and it feels like maybe a rubber band kind of smacked against your skin. But by the time you notice it, it's gone. So it's really nice. It has 5 different levels. I'd recommend starting at a 2 or 3, and then you can go up to 5 as you realize that it's not so bad. So you normally notice a difference within 3 to 4 treatments. 12 treatments, you're oh yeah, my hair is barely coming back. And then I usually just maintain every 2 or 3 months. I'll do it once or so. And you can go over each space about 3 times is what I usually do to really help get rid of that hair. So I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. All right, and if you saw my Trader Joe's haul, you know that Ryan and I went ham at the grocery store. I bought so much stuff, and I've been doing so much meal prepping. So it is late by the time I got done with everything, kind of ridiculous how late it is tonight. So instead of making a full-out dinner, I'm literally just using some of my meal prepped food that I already had ready, and I am starving. If you guys have not tried moon cheese, oh my gosh. I am freaking obsessed with this snack. It's so easy to grab on the go. I have them at the office. I have them in my car. But they're so perfect before dinner because I don't want to get super full. They have 10 grams of protein, so really good after a workout. No sugar, less than 2 grams of carbs. They're amazing. And these flavors are ridiculous. The Oh My Gouda is one of my absolute favorites. But they have all these different pepper jacked, they're so good. It's 100% cheese. You're not getting all those extra carbs or junk that you don't need. They're gluten-free, like you don't have to put them in the fridge, and you get like all the calcium from the cheese. And for me, I'm such a chip girl. Like if I have a bag of chips, I will eat the whole thing and just be craving them. And these kind of like replace that for me. And you can get them like at Target, Costco, Amazon, everywhere. They're all over the place. So you guys gotta go check out that moon cheese. All right, so while I'm finishing up prepping for dinner, I'm gonna put on a face mask. And this is really nice because it takes me like less than a minute to put it on my face. I have the food going, the onions are grilling, I like got all my prep happening, and I'm able to get my mask on without taking time away from other things I'm trying to do. And again, it's like already really late. All right, so leave the mask on, checking on those onions. I kind of burnt them a little bit. It's okay. And since the patties that I had from our turkey burgers that I had made are kind of small, I'm gonna add eggs to them because Ryan loves an egg and I need a little more protein. All right, so while those eggs are cooking and putting away the dishes, I'm really just trying to find ways to get everything I need done and still have time for self-care. And so when you can find ways to multitask, it helps so much. All right, so tonight is bachelor night, which means mocktails. I'm not drinking during the week. That's been another big goal. Like the holidays got me so off track and I felt like we were having like wine or cocktails almost every night. Not anymore. And look how bomb this looks. So like a bed of lettuce, the turkey burger, egg on top. Those grilled onions are so good. And then the sweet potatoes I just reheated because I already had them done, which made it so easy. Like dinner took probably 10 minutes. Got some avocado and LSF spicy yogurt sauce on top. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. I always try to make Ryan eat sauerkraut because it's raw and it's so good for your gut. Great probiotic. And he is like disgusted by it, but he'll eat all the avocado. Then after dinner and a show, I'll head into my room. I'm moving my little like oil diffuser because I just want it closer to my bed. I don't feel like I get all of the like essential oil smells as strong when they're across my room over on my dresser. So I thought I'd take them a little bit closer, put in some like night ones. I have like clove and frankincense, yeah, and lang lang and all sorts of things in there. Now a little skincare. I'll do my hydrating mist. I'll put some eye cream on, kind of dab it under and above and then circle it around. I've been using this Drunk Elephant moisturizer. It's so nice. I'll link that below for you guys too. It's like a light moisturizer, but also super hydrating, which you know I need so bad. And then I'm making sure to go like up my neck, up the skin. Like don't pull down on your skin, try to pull up, and getting my chest because I feel like, especially having big boobs, I start to notice more wrinkles like in my chest, which is so sad. But I feel like I've had them forever, but now it's just like I realize I really need to start taking extra care of that area. And then some oils. I had this little breakout because I'm totally PMSing right now, so trying to dab, what is that? It's like just like acne treatment on those little spots. And then before bed, I've been spending time journaling, writing down things I'm grateful for, things that like were excitement moments from my day, and just really taking some time to write. And I think that it's something important for all of us to do. It kind of takes you away from the TV and the phone and everything else and allows you just to get inside your own head, which doesn't happen all that often. So it's been really, really relaxing and nice for me. And then my little hypo oil blend I've shared with you guys before. Maybe I'll make a printable for you and put it on the blog with that. And Ryan had actually suggested that I get this Calm app because I'm such a bad sleeper. And I just downloaded it and look what it suggested. Matthew McConaughey to put me to sleep. That's like the best thing that ever happened. I can't wait. And it actually was really, really peaceful, super calming. I mean, who wouldn't want to fall asleep with Matthew McConaughey's voice just soothing you? And that's my whole night.